Today we are talking about volcanoes. Our video will be divided into 4 parts about volcanoes, their formation, the places where they are found and the loss caused by them.
Volcanoes are a open mountain-like structure which erupt hot material commonly called lava. Generally, volcanoes can be divided into 3 parts: extinct, dormant, and active volcanoes. Now let's talk about a brief introduction to all these types of volcanoes. Now first we will talk about the active. These type of volcanoes erupt frequently. Like it can be frequent anytime. Like you have heard about this in the newspapers or news about these volcanoes. Like these erupt frequently and it can be also frequent anytime. These are so dangerous too. Now let's talk about the dormant. These volcanoes are a mixture of active and extinct. They erupt after a long time. Now we will talk about the extinct that we have seen in this dormant one. Now if you talk about the dormant one is the mixture of extinct and active. Like extincts are the one, as name suggests, these type of volcanoes are extinct but without proof. Like it has not erupted from a long time but it can be. So these are the dormant are the mixtures of extinct and active. Like it has not erupted from a long time but it can be.
Volcanoes are formed because of the breaking of crust due to the pressure made by the heating of mantle by core. The mantle heats the magma and the hot magma erupts out of the hole created by the pressure.
Most volcanoes are found around the boundaries of the tectonic plates because of their thinner crust present there.
In Hawaii, Indonesia, and many other places, people have migrated to avoid the loss caused by the volcanoes. The most recent one is of Cumbre Vieja, located on the island of La Palma in Canary Island, Spain, destroying around 2,700 houses and 0 injuries to any human. Thank you.